Hey guys, this is Sai Hari Krishnan from the trendyblog.in and today let's check out a product from Sonata. So this is the Sai Baba edition watch from Sonata brand, and this will be an ideal gift for your parents or elders or your nearer dear ones who are devotees of Sai Baba. So here you can see the box is pretty minimalistic, and to the front we have the photo of Sai Baba printed, then we have the Sonata written, then it's written that it's Shri Sai Baba Samidhi Shatabdi Mahotsav and then Shri Sai Baba Sansthan Trust Shirdi. Now unboxing the product, and here we have the photo of Sai Baba inside the watch, and it looks very good too. Then we have the warranty card from Sonata, and it's written congratulations and welcome to the Sonata family, India's largest selling watch brand. Your watch is manufactured under strict quality control and has passed a series of stringent tests to assure you 100% satisfaction. We look forward to hearing from you. And then this is the warranty card, and in case you want a warranty you can just use it. This watch is priced at Rs 999, and I will try to give a link in the description if it's available online. The watch itself, you can see it is pretty minimalistic and also looks very good. So this watch is in brown color. We have a brown strap here, then we have the dial to this side, and we have this reflective steel bottom. We can see it's written Sonata Tata product, and it's written up to 30-meter water resistant. That was a quick unboxing of the Sai Baba edition of Sonata watch. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please put a thumbs up. For more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel. This is a trendy blog. So guys, this is Sai Hari Krishnan signing off. We'll catch you guys soon in my next one.